Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to apply for a loan with Capitec app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First thing you have to do is open your Capitec application. And then from here, you just have to log in to your Capitec account. So before you apply for a loan, you have to make sure that you have the updated version of the app. So what you're going to do is open your Play Store or App Store and update your Capitec application. Once you're done doing that, next is you have to open your application and then log into your account using your credentials. And here you see the Explore at the bottom. You just have to tap on that. Now, these four will show up, so you just have to tap on Credit and click on Personal Credit. You'll now have to follow the prompt presented on the screen. You will also have to answer some questions. And from here, you just have to choose any option presented in the case. In this case, I'll select the first option, which is the minimum interest option. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!